how to customize alarm sound in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to customize your alarm sound in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, you need to just go with your Windows icon and then search for clock and click on it. And you'll get this kind of interface. If you've not used your clock for a long time, then it might ask you to update the application. You just need simply go and update it. And once you've updated, come back to the application like this. Open the application. Now, after opening here on the left side, you will have the alarm section. You need to click on the alarm and then you need to turn it on. As you can see that it says you need to change your notification setting to ensure that your alarms occur as expected. Go we change notification settings, which will be on the right side. And as you can see that it also says that alarms will sound only when your PC is awake. For that, you can change your power settings. So first we'll go with notification settings. And it will ask you if you want to switch apps. You need to click on yes to go and turn it on. Then once you turn on the notification, you need to go back and now you need to click on the alarm. And here you can change the alarm if you want to, just change the time or enter the title if you want to and go and change the repeat section. Now under the music, as you can see that you will have your alarm sound right here. So you need to click on the music and then you'll be able to change the music to whichever you want from these choices. But if you want to go with some other songs or some other sounds, then you need to know that Windows does not let you add your new songs through the app directly, but you can work around it. For example, you can just simply go ahead and just cancel that and go to your Windows or File Manager and then go with your C drive. And here, if you have any media, then you just need to simply click on the media. So just open up the Windows folder and then under Windows, you need to go with media section. Now under media, you need to scroll down and here you will have the alarm sounds. So the alarm that we choose from here is from the file manager that we saw just right here. So what you need to do is you need to go and add a file to this folder. So add your media to this folder. And once you've added your media to this folder or this media interface, you need to come back to your alarm section and then you will find the audio that you've just added to the folder right here. And this way you'll be able to customize your alarm sound in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.